Hey guys, what's up? My name is Ishan and I am back again with another SMMA video for you guys. This time it's a bit more simple than the other ones I've made, but I was getting some requests in my Discord community, which by the way, if you haven't joined, go ahead, join my Discord community, linked in the comments or description or whatever, if you want me to personally coach you and stuff like that. But I was getting this request a lot to make a video about niche research and how to pick a niche and stuff like that, right? So this is going to be a super in-depth video and you guys are going to walk out with absolute clarity and definitely a niche that you can pick. Okay, so I made this list. Okay, I'm going to keep this short and simple to the point. So I picked out these four niches that I feel like have a huge potential for SMMAs in 2022. Okay, I've said this before as well. I feel like as an industry, SMMA cannot get saturated. However, some niches do get saturated. Okay, so I bring to you this list. All right. So number one is going to be yacht rental or charter. Okay. Now, excuse me if I'm saying it wrong or something like that. Just bear with me. Okay. Yacht rental or charter. Okay. So this basically means the same thing. They're basically people who rent out yachts. But think about it. So these yachts cost $1,500 on an average per hour. Just imagine that is actually crazy, right? So people who are willing to pay $1,500 per hour for a yacht are probably going to stay on the yacht for a bit longer, right? So you guys can find these people who provide these yachts for rent and target them, provide them these yacht rental leads. Even if you get them one lead and they stay on the yacht for like 4 hours, they're still gonna make a huge ton of money back. Okay, so this was niche number one. Again, these are super untapped niches. Okay, so this was niche number one. Number two is gonna be solar panels. Again, guys, I wouldn't say this is super untapped. However, there's so much potential in this. There's definitely a growing market for solar panels out there, and on an average, they cost like 15 to 20K. Oh, sorry, my bad, 5 to 20K to install. Okay, so definitely a good pick for you if you're looking to start an agency. And if you guys want to learn more about solar panel and stuff like that, you guys can check out Bhavesh Kumar and his channel. He runs a solar agency. So yeah, you guys can learn some things from that. Number three is going to be flooring. Now, this is an interesting niche. Okay, flooring companies usually, on an average, just to give you a ballpark number, charge $3,000 to $7,000 per project. Okay, now this can depend on multiple factors: the type of floor, the in-depth stuff, right? So this can vary like a lot, but on an average, 3 to 7,000. That's what I've noticed. The minimum to the uppercase. Okay, so definitely another good niche for you guys to pick. And number four is going to be home theaters. Now, this is extremely untapped. Okay, this is what I like to talk about. So, on an average, home theaters cost like 17,000 to install. Okay, super effective niche. Again, you guys get them one client and they're gonna be happy. Okay, they're gonna make a positive ROI working with you. And so that was one part of that. Now I'm gonna show you guys how you can actually like do your research and select a niche. Okay, so let's move on. How do you select a niche? How do you do your research? First off, you go to Google. Okay, I'm going to take a flooring niche, for example, here. You go to Google, you type in how much does flooring cost on an average in USA. Okay, now if you're doing home theaters or yacht rentals or something like that, you can Google your stuff, your niche. Okay, how much does average flooring cost in USA? Okay, go through the web, look for some answers and learn. Okay, don't just pick a niche and blindly start outreaching to those guys. I think that's a bad idea if you don't know anything about what you're doing. Of course, learn your delivery part as well first. Like, don't learn it properly, but know enough about it to explain it on a call and know enough of the niche. Okay, so you can talk to those guys in their own language. So that just makes them feel like you're actually legit, you're actually there, and you actually know what you're talking about. Okay, that's a good one. Okay, so go to Google, do some research, whatever questions you can think of, just type them out and just see whatever you can research. Okay, number two, step two is going to be ads library. Okay, this is a super cool trick I learned from somewhere. So guys, go to ads library, enter your niche and type in leads with it. Okay, Now you guys might be wondering, well, this does not make any sense. Wait a second. So what you're gonna do at this step is competitor research. Okay, now you know a bit about your niche. Now you know moving companies and stuff like that. Go ahead and find some of these people who are running ads for moving leads. Okay, for example, let me show you this guy. This guy, Service Legend, is running an ad, 50 plus epoxy flooring and 1 day concrete coating leads, or we work for free. Okay, now, you just found someone who's working in the same niche as you. Do you know what advantage it gives you? You can check out their websites and you can actually study what they're doing and how they're doing it. Okay. Just press see ad details and just click this. Okay. Usually it takes you directly to the website. I don't know, for some reason if it's not doing that for me. Yeah, exactly. Here are the links. Okay. So you go to the website, you see what they're offering, you see how many leads they're offering, what's their average CPL, look at their case studies so you know how much they've been able to produce and what they've been able to do. Okay. So do your competitor research, learn about the offers, what you can offer, what they're offering, everything like that, right? So that will be step number two. Step number three, go to YouTube, type in your niche, and just start watching those videos. Okay. This is going to be super tedious and boring again, but this helps out a lot. And initially, I did that in my SMMA journey as well, and it definitely helps out. Okay. I can guarantee you guys. So yeah, guys, I watched all these videos myself as well. Okay. I'm not preaching what I don't practice. I've genuinely watched half of these videos about flooring niche as well, right? So that was the next step. And yeah, what you can do after that is go to Google, type flooring leads, and just see whatever you can find. Okay, like flooring marketing company, amazing, go to their website, study their offers and everything. Like okay, get leads now. They're probably going to take us to a calendar, but let's see if they reveal their prices. Okay, yeah, they're gonna ask me to create an account, which I'm not gonna do because I couldn't care less. I don't have a flooring company, right? So yeah, just see, okay, 8.5x ROI. Cool, new information. 37 leads delivered per month. Okay, cool, new information. Average appointment rate. Awesome, new information, right? So just take it all in, okay? Whatever they're offering, study their offers and stuff like that. Okay, so this was the niche research part, and I hope you guys found it valuable. Guys, it's currently 6 a.m. I didn't sleep all night. I've been working extra hard for you guys. Okay, so please drop a subscribe if you haven't already, and join my Discord community for free coaching. If you want me to help you out personally, and follow me on Instagram if you want, linked in description, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.